Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2026 Kiefer Kruiser 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This trailer is all aluminum. It is white in color. It does have a stainless wrap on the front of the nose. It is a 2 5/16 ball. It is all aluminum. It is 6'8" wide, 7'4" tall. It does have 2 full escape doors with drop windows with bars. It does have aluminum wheels, sliders on the rear on both sides. It has a rear ramp with Dutch doors. You can clip those doors back. They are clipped back at the moment in transport. Has a spring-loaded ramp, so it's easy up ramp. Fully lined and insulated horse box with 2 fans here on the back. Again, the sliders on both sides, airflow divider, airflow head divider, 2 roof vents, 2 tie rings, 1 per each horse, and a tie ring here for a hay bag if needed. It's got the chest bars and butt bars with padding, padded divider on both sides, padding on both sides of the wall in the trailer. It's very open and airy, very big, spacious. If you have big horses, this will definitely work. So it does have, like I said, drop windows on both escape doors. And those escape doors, I'll open this one so you can kind of see. They do have the strap. This trailer also has a dressing room. It's got a light on the outside, load light on the side and the other side. So it's a load light package. It has a matted dressing room floor, spare tire, 2-tier saddle rack, bridle hooks, and it is an insulated roof front dressing room. So the roof is insulated in the front dressing room. So to recap, 2026 2-horse straight load Kiefer Kruiser bumper pull. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. You can text me or call me. We don't put pricing or any information on the YouTube. The best thing to do is go to carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.